Yes, that's a great topic. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial for setting up a home automation system for smart home technology. Here are some steps in the video. Choose your smart home devices. Decide which devices you want to include in your home automation system, such as smart lights, smart thermostats, smart locks, etc. Install the devices. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install each device in your home. Connect your Wi-Fi network. Make sure each device is connected to your home's Wi-Fi network so you can control it with your smartphone or tablet. Download and install the app. Download the app associated with your smart home devices and install it on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account. Create an account in the app to manage your smart home devices. Pair your devices. Follow the instructions in the app to pair each device with your account. Thank you for watching this video. I think you understand how to automation of smart devices. If you have any doubt, ask in comments section. Thank you.